This family had a son with autism in crisis. They called the Department of Child Safety for help, but they say instead of help, they got a nightmare, one that wound through the courts for 6 years. I'm ABC 15 Chief Investigator Dave Biskobing. As we continue our investigation into DCS, we're now looking at the expensive lengths DCS will go to defend itself. And in this family's case, the state's refusal to admit a mistake cost the public millions. All right, Mike, first question's very simple. This is attorney Mike Moore. You know, you've been a lawyer for how long?
46 years.
And how long have you been doing kind of cases DPS, CPS?
About 30 years.
And right now, if there's one case he wants to talk about the most, it's the case involving this family, the Steins. In fact, he just spoke about their case at the state capitol.
What are we paying out of our pockets to defend DCS?
In the case we just tried and won, the state is going to pay $2.8 million.
It's one of several expensive cases.
The Stein case is the most depressing of all those cases.
Depressing?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Depressing because this is a family who reached out to DCS for help.
That's an Arizona Child Abuse Hotline. May I help you?
The Crisis Mobile team here at my house right now for my son. He's disabled. He's got severe autism. In the last month, been increasingly violent towards himself and others. Our family, we're scared. We can't handle him.
On October 9th, 2019, the Steins were at a breaking point. 9-year-old Corin Stein just attacked his dad while driving, choking him from behind, nearly causing a crash. At home, the family also had a young daughter.
And we need help today.
Well, we were in crisis, obviously.
Justin is Corin's dad.
He really needed, psychiatric help.
Justin and his then wife called and called looking for help. First to their son's state disability support coordinator, then his local autism therapy team, then his teacher, who advised them to call a special crisis team, who told them to call the DCS hotline. But that call for help got their son taken away, leading to a custody battle and a lawsuit lasting 6 years.
It just kept getting worse.
You make that call. Looking back on that decision, how do you feel about it now?
I would never call DCS on anybody. Unless I really knew something was really bad going on, I would never want to put a parent through what we went through.
Now, we'll get into more specifics of the Stein case in a moment, but what this attorney believes is most telling about the case is how hard DCS fought to win, even though at every step of the way, DCS kept losing. Between the verdict, the legal fees on both sides, all in, what was the total cost for the Stein case to the taxpayer?
Well, they hired outside counsel, so that's $1.3 million. The court ordered them to pay $742,000 in attorney's fees to myself and Larry Wolkin, my co-counsel's law firm. There was approaching $650,000 in judgment after the verdict. Trying to add all this up myself.
I'm doing it here. I'm doing the math here. So just shy of $3 million-ish? Yeah.
That sounds about right, yeah.
And Moore says the sad part, the Steins would have settled early in the case for $180,000 or $190,000, but the state offered just $1,500. Their initial evaluation of the case for one that ended up costing taxpayers $3 million was $1,500.
Correct.
That's a pretty big miss.
Well,
on their end. We recently reported DCS has paid out more than $30 million to settle lawsuits since 2016. The most common allegation, wrongful removals. Now, we also asked how much DCS has paid in legal fees related to those lawsuits. We're still waiting to get those numbers.
The department kind of has this mindset that we can't be touched. And nothing about these individual civil rights cases in federal court seems to change that attitude.
And that takes us back to the Stein case. It just ended, the judge just signing off on the final award to the family. And here's what happened at the most basic level. After the family's call for help to the DCS hotline, DCS workers came and told the family the only way they could take their son is if they signed a document saying they were neglectful, desperate. The family signed, not knowing it could mean they could lose custody. In the following days, when the family tried to get their son back, DCS fought them, even filing a custody petition stating the mother and father are no longer willing to care for Corin, and that they asked DCS to take custody of Corin. And neither of those things are accurate at all.
Absolutely complete fabrications.
The juvenile court didn't believe DCS, ordering custody back to the family. And in the lawsuit, the jury didn't believe DCS either. Their verdict found DCS engaged in judicial deception and violated the family's rights.
Not even a word to describe how that makes me feel, that I was such a horrible parent that didn't want this beautiful child.
Why do you think they kept fighting so hard in this case?
I guess they just didn't want to be wrong.
You think it's just that simple?
Probably. I mean, I don't see anything. It's hard to say you're sorry. It's the government. I mean, they're not going to want to tell people, oh, wait, we made a big mistake.
So what does DCS have to say about this case? Well, they sent a statement, and it's something. It starts normal enough. Quote, "The department supports the decision-making of our field staff and supervisors who work tirelessly to protect children and strengthen families. Our specialists approach every situation with compassion and care, often making difficult decisions under challenging circumstances to ensure child safety." But then DCS said something that's almost hard to believe. Quote, "It is unfortunate that this case has resulted in significant legal fees, with the attorneys walking away with more compensation than the family, rather than resources directly benefiting children and families." Now that's quite a statement, considering DCS violated this family's rights, then paid outside lawyers to aggressively fight this lawsuit and appeal. And remember, DCS paid those outside lawyers $1.3 million. That's twice as much as the family's attorneys, all in a case that could have settled years ago for cents on the dollar. I'm investigator Dave Biscobing, ABC 15, Arizona.